up here is the last time where the mud patch was super bad. I haven't made it through yet this year. I gotta go to dinner tonight. Oh god, that's bumpy. Oh man, that thing's really moving. Yeah, that ain't working. This is why I didn't make it through last time, up here. Looks like maybe they fixed it some. I can't remember if it was right here or up here. I don't think I need to loosen the suspension. Loosen the suspension some, see if that helps. See if that absorbs some of this. Feels a little better, but these are just big rocks, man. Fucking bumpy. Cool. Muddy. I brought rags this time to clean it off before I stick it in the car. Plus I have my packing blanket. Ooh. Slowly through this, I ain't trying to get soaked. We're almost to the end, and we'll turn around the back. Ramp it. Oh, that's a big rock. Luckily I got big tires. I won't be taking the Teverun off like this. I'll stick to the Kaboo and the Gotrax for doing shit like this. The Teverun is strictly for on-road, as long as it doesn't wobble, because that's the Kaboo's problem. It wobbles too much above 40. I mean, scary wobble. Woo! Nice day out. Perfect amount of shade, perfect amount of humidity to where people don't want to come out. Muddy. Gets a little muddier up here. I might have to be careful. Yeah, it ends back there, and then this ends up here. And it kind of goes right to the highway. We'll just loop around and go back. Head back to the main road, go through the trail again here, the nature preserve as they call it. mud, gotta be careful. Suspension feels a little better, but I think through that one section there's just so many big rocks. We're definitely going back into the wind this time. Slipped a little bit there. Gotta watch these big rocks through here. Damn. It only takes a couple big rocks on these little tires at the wrong angle and you're going down. And as you saw last week, it don't take much of a fall to get a big bruise. Woo! I love that hill. If I had more time and better gear on, I'd ramp that thing a bunch of times and set up the other camera. But it's a little bit too muddy for that. I think that's where these big rocks are, is up here, past this puddle. Go slow around this. Let's go off this side. Oh god, yeah, I made the mistake. I should have just went through the middle. It was even more muddy right there. Yeah, I think this is where these big rocks are, up past here. Just gotta go slow through there. Woo! You can feel the tire start sliding inward when you go through that wet mud like that. Try and stay in the tire tracks through these bigger rock sections. Rough trail. Proceed at own risk. Maybe one day I'll take the scooter up there, but it's not cleared at all. I'd end up just being stuck in a foot of mud unless it's super dry out. So maybe one day when it's super dry out, I'll go up there when I got better gear on. I'll park down here, down at this end of the trail, so I got full battery. Last thing you want to do is be on one of those trails and your battery's shit out. Speaking of that, it looks like we got 4 bars, but I mean, when I gun it, we'll see what the battery drag's probably down to 3, I would guess. So what we'll do is we'll head back to the river trail and then go past where we parked into the rest of the trail. They said this Gotrax 3 is a pure off-road scooter. And I must say, I mean, it does good off-road, don't get me wrong, it's got the good tires for it and shit. That was my fault with the Caboo. I took that thing in the fucking grass like an idiot and made it a bad, indecisive decision between going left and right, and the grass made the tire slip out from underneath me. That was my fucking fault. Luckily, I was geared up, but even with the knee pads and shin pads, that are the one piece, I don't know if it was the kickstand, the handlebar, I don't know what the hell got me, but I mean, you can see the short I posted where it shows the aftermath of it all. There we go, we got a little bit clearer spot right here. Go a little faster for a second here. Wonder if that person's up here taking pictures still. We'll see. Does look like it. Actually, when it was a little wetter before, it was easier to avoid the holes because they were filled with water. Now it's a little harder to see them. They definitely smoothed this out right through here, something. There's a lot less big rocks through here right now. That one section, that we passed just before. Man, that is a rough section. If the whole gravel road was this, dude, I could go like 20 the whole way. I wasn't gonna go back in here because I didn't want to get the scooter all fucking dirty, because, you know, I hate putting it in the Tesla. It's okay when I got the wife's car and I can put it in the back. But fuck it, I brought some rags. And I got baby wipes in the car. Oh, got a car coming. Watch it, person, you're not looking. Back out to the main road. Water runs. Woo! That was fun.